Welcome to our video presentation on the CNC106 Silk Screen Printer, the ultimate solution for revolutionizing your bottle printing pattern. Are you tired of manual processes that consume valuable time and yield inconsistent results? Say goodbye to those challenges, because the CNC106 brings efficiency and precision to the forefront of your bottle printing experience. This channel is mainly to share some working videos about various types of printing machines. If you are interested in this kind of video, remember to subscribe to this channel. With its state-of-the-art technology, the CNC106 ensures unparalleled efficiency. Its automated processes eliminate the need for tedious manual work, allowing you to focus on unleashing your creativity. Precision is the heart of every masterpiece, and the CNC106 delivers just that. Its precise alignment system guarantees accurate registration, ensuring your multicolor designs are flawlessly executed every time. Imagine the possibilities. From intricate patterns to vibrant logos, the CNC106 brings your bottle designs to life like never before. Witness the captivating beauty of multicolor prints that will leave your audience in awe. Don't settle for ordinary when you can achieve extraordinary. Join the printing revolution today and unlock your creative potential with the CNC106 Silk Screen Printer. Watch our full video to see this remarkable machine in action. This is our efficient printing machine CNC106. With it, you can greatly improve the printing efficiency of the factory. If you want to know more types of screen printing machines, please click the link below to jump to our other popular machine videos. Are you interested in our screen printing machine factory? You can click the video in the upper left corner to visit that factory. And if you have any questions about the screen printing machine, you can tell us in the comment area, or you can add our WhatsApp or WeChat. We will have professional customer service to answer for you. Okay, that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.